These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another birthday vlog. I don't know how many years it has been since I've been documenting my birthday, but I love it. I love going back to these videos and looking at them. Now, like always, yesterday night also all of my friends and family came over and we cut the cake at 12 o'clock रात को. But this year, सिर्फ normal cake नहीं काटा, हमने इस बार ढोकला cake भी काटा. My mom made a cake which is made out of a dhokla, and I love dhokla, and from this year onwards I want a dhokla cake every year.
Happy birthday, Maddie! Wow! Woo! 12 बज गए. How's your new cake?
Love it.
बीच में चटनी है उसमें.
हाँ, this is the cake that I like actually. ये किसका आइडिया था?
काय को खर्चा कर रहा है इतना? फुकट खर्चा कर रहा है.
मामी का आइडिया था.
Wow, looks so nice.
अरे we tried writing something on it मगर we are not.
Wow, love it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
God
God bless you. Thank you so much. Thanks यार.
You're 27, basically 30.
बार बार रंगने वाली परी हो या हो परियों की रानी प्रेम कहानी मेरे सवालों का.
As for today, I just woke up like half an hour ago, got ready for the day, took a bath, and then Kashish gave me this H&M का बैग जिसमें थे ये PJs that I'm wearing right now. And I know कुछ तो हो रहा है बाहर because I'm not allowed to go out of my room. So I definitely know that there's something happening, but I'm very excited for the batata vada that Dadi has made. There has been hyping up these batata vadas for a while, so I'm excited to eat them. So I'm just waiting to be called outside. Now for today, like my expectation for today is to honestly, I never thought I would say this, but have a very chill, low-key birthday. I always do like to do the most for my birthday, and everyone around me knows that. And Aditya especially does the most to, you know, surprise me and make me feel special. But I don't mind having a chill birthday because I am just so tired. The last few weeks have been so hectic. So just chilling would be nice. Of course, chilling with friends and family would be nice. But let's see, I'm open to whatever the day has in store for me. Of course, my mom got me some plants. She loves plants, so I think her love language is definitely gifting plants. This one in particular is a sunflower plant, so that is very, very cute. Okay, so we're super late for lunch. We have a family lunch that's happening at Bhagat Tarachand. मुझे भगत ताराचंद बहुत दिन से जाना था. कशिश गई थी recently and she was describing the food to me. So ever since that, I have been wanting to go. Aditya's not very excited about it because it's vegetarian food.
But it's your birthday.
Yeah. So I'm excited. We're running a little bit late. I think everyone must have already reached by this point. So maybe we can place an order of what we want. I know exactly what I want. So I'm excited. Also, this is what the new hair looks like. I didn't really talk about it. You might have seen my shorts all about it. But the red is gone. I do miss it, but I do like this also. It's supposed to get lighter with every wash. Very different for me. It's growing on me.
So, where do you think we're
So
going.
okay, so अभी का part I have cracked.
क्या?
बातों बातों में मैंने आदित्य से निकलवा लिया है कि हम मसाज कराने जा रहे हैं. Am I right?
No comments.
I think I'm close, like something around those lines, like relaxation situation. But रात का situation I have not been able to crack because I know there's something happening in the evening, but what I don't know.
Okay, cool. We'll see soon.
How soon? Half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour. थक गई चला के.
I'm ready for my massage, but doesn't look like a
Yeah.
massage place. This looks
Where
like
do you think
a
we are?
residential place.
That is correct.
Yeah.
So what do you think we're
Are you
doing?
buying me a house?
ज़्यादा हो गया. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
बोलो क्या कर रहे?
So we have come here to do a pottery workshop.
Oh wow, how fun!
Yes, so it's
We've
a
never
pottery
done
workshop.
one
We've
together.
never done something like this. It's the
Yeah.
first time. So it's a 2-hour workshop that we'll be doing along with painting.
Oh wow, how fun!
Yes.
So actually Aditya hates touching wet things, so I'm quite surprised that he's even putting his hands in the clay. How does it feel, Aditya? It's fun. Not a regular bowl. Char bowl. Just got done with our pottery class plus painting class also. We painted some plates and I made a deep bowl, like a bowl, pasta bowl, and Aditya made like a
Holder.
plant holder, like a plant
holder,
vase,
plant
chota sa. That was a lot of fun. Like
Yeah.
this is something that I love, and Aditya just got it right. And बहुत मजा आया. Totally recommend this place. I'll leave some details down below in case you also want to try this out with your friends, family, whatever. But बहुत मजा आया. Now
बाद में दोनों के plates भी दिखाएंगे. Then you guys have to guess कि किसका कौन सा plate है. Okay?
दिख गए होंगे आपको already plates. Please guess
Guess
whose
करो,
plate.
सबको मालूम है कि कौन सा plate किसका है.
Exactly. सबको पता है कौन सा plate किसका है.
ज़्यादा amazing वाला मेरा है.
Sure, done. Art is art. You know, you can't say which is perfect and which is not.
Yeah.
Art is not supposed to be perfect.
Yeah, mine is better than yours.
I did not say that, but okay, sure.
Mine is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sure, if that's what you want to believe. Anyway, tell me, give me a clue for tonight.
कुछ नहीं,
Please.
अभी घर पे जाके सो जाने का.
बोलना.
नहीं बोल तो तूने बनाया ना.
बोलना.
नहीं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा. सिर्फ घर पे जाना है and then उसके बाद we move ahead. That's all you get for now. So, what do you think is the next
आज ऐसा
part?
मुझे लग रहा है पूरा दिन हम गाड़ी में ही है.
हाँ वो थोड़ा होता ही
क्योंकि
है.
आज 5th day of Visarjana, by the way, for context. So everything is like super crowded. It's taken us a lot of time, like getting from point A to point B. But answering your question, क्या होने वाला है? I really don't know, genuinely. But I think it's gonna be like all of our friends are gonna be coming, and we're gonna be going somewhere, like some dick chick vibes. I feel.
Close.
बता अब.
नहीं. Did you know कैसा कुछ?
I mean, now that you've asked me to ring the bell, yes.
सो गए.
But I don't know what's. मतलब सब अपने friends रहेंगे and we'll chill. Love it. Love the plan.
सो गए लगता है.
Are you sure you want to come in?
Yes, if you're ready for me.
No, we're not. Also, what's the password?
I love Ali. Oh my god! Surprise! So cute. Oh my god. So coquette.
Yeah.
So demure. Is that the vibe?
That is the
That's
vibe.
the vibe.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh the pose. I think मैं कभी निकालूंगी नहीं है. ऐसे ही रहेगा ये.
निकालने भी नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा निकल जाएगा. So cute and so beautiful. Nice Kashish. कुछ नहीं, बहुत cute लग रहा है. I'm obsessed. I need to take pictures of everything. It's looking so nice.
मैडी वो दरवाजे में
What's up? इसकी डेकोरेशन इन लोग ने किया है.
हाँ मैंने किया पूरा.
तूने तो नहीं किया.
मैं अभी
Bro, मुझे लगा कि कोई बाहर से आके किसी ने
हम
किया
लोग
है.
आप लोगों के साथ रेस कर रहे थे कि हम दोनों का टाइम कट टू कट था इधर पहुंचने का.
So cute. बहुत.
मैं तो आराम से
Kill
चला
it,
रहा.
man.
उसने भी मुझे बोल दिया आराम से क्यों चला रहे इतना.
मैडी
Yes.
we have a special surprise for you.
More.
Yes. Ashu,
You need to change.
Oh, so cute. यही कपड़े का बनाया क्या? Oh,
it has a bow.
ये सिलाया है.
Yes.
संतोष आंटी.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. कहाँ पे है, गले में है?
नहीं गले में
यही कपड़े का बनाया ना एक्चुअली.
Coincidentally,
ये अपना बैकड्रॉप वाला कपड़ा है.
अच्छा.
लेकर आया.
Too cute and it's going with the vibe also.
तो उसीलिए किया है ना मैडी, और बाकी हम सब व्हाइट में हैं.
Happy
ये पोकी भाई कितनी मेहनत करते हैं बाइकों के लिए. भाई बर्थडे का से क्यों काम करवा रहे हो यार? व्हाट इज दिस बिहेवियर यार गाइस? व्हाट मैडी हम सब
अभी ये पोस्ट में पक्का फोटो.
ये थंबनेल. तीर्थ मैडी कैसे?
मस्त लग रही है. क्यूट बाबी डॉल.
मैडी बच्ची हो गया.
कुकी वाइब्स.
You heard it here first.
Happy birthday to you.
अभी खोलो अभी.
No gifts, guys, but okay, I'll open it. It's a photo frame. I can tell. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
अरे अभी को मालूम है.
मैडी की मम्मा नानी है, मैडी शादी की फोटो.
Bro, gift देने का जरूरत नहीं है. इतना तूने ये किया, ये काफी है.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you'll understand it.
Oh, I understood what it is. You've named a star after.
Yeah.
वही है ना?
Wow, you're smart. I didn't know कि exist करता है.
मैंने इंस्टा पे देखा था. How cute.
और ये तेरे
मैं tag भी कर
सनसाइन पे
सकती हूँ.
हाँ ट्रैक भी कर सकती है.
Oh.
एंड जहाँ स्टार्स दिखते हैं वहाँ नेकेड आइज से देख भी सकते हैं.
Oh my God.
अच्छा लगा.
बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you. Welcome. पर जरूरत नहीं था ये करने का.
शुक्र.
Good morning, Maddie. So,
Hi.
how was your birthday?
So good. Very, very cute. Love it.
But it's not over yet.
I know. You told me that. What's happening? Tell me.
What do you think is happening today? Where are we going?
I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea.
You have no idea.
Literally no idea.
What do you think it is like?
Are we carry forwarding the thing that I had said yesterday?
Which is?
The massage bit?
No.
Okay.
I mean, we could, but
बोलो ना.
we are going to aboard for a staycation.
Hey, quickly came to the studio to pack just for a day. दोनों का सामान एक बैग में ही आ गया है. I have packed like the most chill clothes because my agenda is to like actually chill and relax for a day. And we have come towards the end of my 27th birthday vlog. It was such a cute birthday. I feel like exactly what I had said in the intro. I wanted it to be a very wholesome, cute birthday. That's exactly how it panned out. Everyone, my friends, my family, everyone put in so much thought and effort to surprise me, and I truly was surprised. Like जो evening वाला decor and all of that था, वो मैंने expect नहीं किया था. ढोकला cake, oh my god, love it. And also a lot of my friends sent in flowers, so I love that. There's nothing more I love than receiving flowers. And thank you to all of you guys as well for sending in your wishes, your messages, your edits, everything. It just makes it even more special. Before I end today's video, this is what today's giveaway looks like. And that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying the birthday series so far. We are more than halfway through it. We do have a few more videos to go. And that's it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.